Hello friends, I welcome you all for the first session of programming through the Scratch programming language. In this session, we are going to see the operations of setup. How can I use the Scratch editor by online method and the offline method. So before actually starting your programming through the Scratch, we need to set up your system. You can use any operating system in your laptop or the desktop. Make sure that you're connected to internet so that we can download the editor of the Scratch, software of the Scratch from the net, or we can use the Scratch programming language online also. So the pre-requirements, the prerequisites of using the Scratch programming in future we'll learn in this particular video. So let's open your web browser, whatever you are using, Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox or the Google Chrome, and there we just have to type the website name like scratch.mit.edu. So here I am using Mozilla Firefox and I have opened the website scratch.mit.edu. So when you open that particular website, you just can have the appearance of the website like this. Okay, I'll elaborate more about this site. Check the spelling of it: scratch.mit.edu. Okay. Now, when you visit this particular website, you will get the appearance something like this. Now, there are two ways by which we can write the programs in Scratch. The first way is online method. Online method, when you open your web browser, on this website itself, you can create your programs, you can create your animations, you can create your games, and you can learn about everything from the Scratch. Second method is the offline method. Offline method is just like downloading a software from the net and then make use of that software, install that software in your system and then open the editor, and inside the editor you can write the program, computer program in Scratch. Okay, so first of all we'll see the online method. I have connected to the internet currently and I have opened the website of the Scratch. Now if you want to start creating your programs, your computer programs in Scratch, so you can see the options, two options are present here. I can either click on the create option here, or I can click on this option, that is start creating. So any one of these options can be chosen and you can have a similar window, similar editor where your Scratch programs can be created. So let's click on this create. So when I click on the create option, my editor window of the Scratch programming language will get open. Okay, so it's creating a project. Okay, so let's see, this is your editor of the Scratch programming language. So it's showing a tutorial over here. I'll just click on this close button. You can check it out. Close this. And now the editor of the Scratch programming language is available with me. You can write the programs here. You can save the program in your computer after creating this particular design over here. Okay, so without creating any account also you can write your programs on this particular website. Okay, so I recommend you to create the account on this particular website. So you can check the options are available here: sign in and join Scratch. So when you start for first time, you just can click on the join Scratch option here. So you can join the community of the Scratch. You can check this out. Here you have to enter your username, you have to enter your password 2 times and next. Now in order to create your account over here, you need to create your unique username. Okay, unique username that should be present there, and after pressing next your account will be created on the Scratch website. Okay, it is recommended to create the account, but if you don't create, then also your programming will be done on this particular website. Okay, I will go back. Once the account is created, then we can use the second option, which is called as sign in. You can check this option over here, sign in. When you click on sign in, the username that you have chosen you have to enter over here, and the password that is expected that you are already given while creating the account, you have to enter it here. Okay, so once that username and password are matched, then you have to click on sign in, and you can enter into the website by your account, by your name, and whatever task, whatever program you create, that will be saved on the Scratch website. Okay, so this is the first way to do the operations. You can create your account. Once the account is created, your editor will be opened exactly in the same way that we have seen why after clicking on the create button. Okay, done. Now if you don't have the internet, and if you don't want to work on internet on online method, you can download the Scratch software on your Windows operating system or Mac OS operating system. Okay, so if any one of these OS is present in your computer, so you can choose one option. I'll just go at the bottom of this particular website. Okay, here you can see one option present like download. Okay, download. So when I click on the download option, okay, so you just can check this is changed, scratch.mit.edu/download. Okay, and in this website, on this particular link, you can find one options. See, here Windows operating system is present, Mac OS is there, Chrome OS, and the Android operating systems. Okay, so on Android also you can write the same program. Android Junior application is present on Android. It is working almost in the same way as we see over here on the website. Okay, now if you go to Windows option, if you are having Windows operating system, so I click on that, and you can check the option of direct download. Okay, direct download. So when I click on this option, direct downloading of Scratch desktop setup 3.12, which is the current version available, will be downloaded. You have to save this Scratch 3.12.0 on your system. Then once it is completed, then you have to double click on this particular setup of Scratch. Okay, when you double click on that, you will start installing like this. A similar kind of window will appear there, and once the installation is completed, you will get an icon of the Scratch software in your Windows start menu. Click on that, then again we will get similar kind of option present there also. Okay, so these are the methods by which you create your Scratch program initially. So this is a pre-requirement that you need to do. Either you can work on online method like this, or you can make use of the download option, download the Scratch software on your operating system, install it, and make use of it onwards. Okay, so after the pre-requirement setup is completed, we'll continue in the next session how to use this editor which is present on your screen. Till then, goodbye and thank you. Thanks a lot.